Good morning and welcome to day 2 of my Peru Intrepid Real Food adventure. Day 1 is good. Second guest didn't make it in time because her flight was delayed, so I'll meet her today. Just had some breakfast and meeting up soon, and we're going to go to a local market, fish market, and then we're going to a cooking demonstration. And that'll be our lunch as well. We have to eat while we cook, so hopefully we do a good job. Then we've got the afternoon free for a bit, and then we're going to go for a walking tour through Barranco at night. So the day is only just beginning, and we'll catch up along the way and show you all the fun things that we get to do. So this is Rob signing out for now. We'll catch you when it all begins down the markets. Peace out.
Beto, what's this one?
We're just at a beach waiting to do our cooking class. And this is the beach. That's not a beach, that's pebbles. Actually, not even pebbles, that's boulders. And all these mountains around us are all sandstone. That's why they don't build here, because it's not great to build on. It's very soft. But they've opened up all these little bars and restaurants along here to try and get people more out here since basically COVID, he was saying. And out on the distance, people doing one of my favorite things, fishing. And they're fishing for mainly sole, bottom fishing. No surfers out today. Well, not at this spot. Lovely. See you in a second. We're going to be cooking some ceviche soon. Yeah. Alright. Just mountains. All the communications for all of Lima are up there, and the white building over there is where we're coming, and we're coming. That's our time.
It's potato we boil it, we peel it, and we farm. This is only the potato. This is a very soft potato. I don't know if in your country you have one like this. But you can do with other kind of potato, but you must add more oil or more sauces to obtain the softness of this kind of potato. We also use avocado, that olives, yellow chili. This is a kind of chili we put. We take off all the seeds. We boil 5 times. Every time the water boils, we change the water. And 5th time we make this, so we obtain this kind of sauce. And we put in the mixer. Half of a lime, regular oil, salt. We use mayonnaise, chicken. Oiled chicken, you can use vegetables or tuna. Here in Peru, we use tuna. Okay, we are going to start. The bones of the fish, we boil it
Fish stock?
1 hour with celery and oregano, and carrots and onions we boil for an hour, and then we drain and we obtain this fish stock. if a person is allergic, you can use the liquid of the. Daniel, la paloma. The pigeon.
Remember.
The customers used to feed them, and this is why they came here. I don't know. Sometimes we have also the dolphins. When all this comes, like today, the sea is. Okay, we have we need the tigre star. This is canned milk. This is not sweet. It's canned milk. Salt. We have also this chili. I told you how to prepare it. We have here the garlic blended only with water and a few drops of oil. And here we have, this is a mix of celery and ginger. We put the branches of the celery, but not too much of the leaves, because if we put too much of the leaves, it's sour. It makes sour the sauce. Los tallos, the branches, a little bit of the leaves of the celery and the ginger. With all the peel. We clean it very well, we wash it very well, we put it in the blender, we put water, a few drops of oil, and we blend it, and we drain it, and we obtain this sauce. But to prepare the ceviche here, you only need the chili, the cilantro, and the limes. This is on the fish oil. But every restaurant has its own side to prepare. Also at home, every person prepares his own kind of ceviche. This is why we prepare this kind of sauces. Okay, we start preparing with cilantro.
Spot. You're talking about the nightlife because the person, but then also public. Because in all the places that you're gonna see a pound, that means that's a colonial foundation. That's why in the region also you're gonna see these buildings becoming from the part of East is the public side and part of this is colonial. Of course, besides Central, we have at different places. But of course, anywhere else.
Starbucks and KFC.
What's next?
Papa John's. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. That's why if you miss that food, no worries, we have a chance.
What, the fast food of Lima? The Fast and the Furious of Lima.
But of course, part of what we have a chance to see today, it's part of the local, meal. Part of the local meals that we have, of course. Yeah, as we were talking about before, this afternoon, this evening, it's free. If you want, you can come back here. Will be up to you. What I probably suggested is take a taxi from the hotel. Okay, if you like to come. Anyways, please, we're gonna go now to explore because it is to show you more details about this. Enjoy and stuff like that, they come to these places to say goodbye. And they may be like, please. You will have the chance to see here that we have two different words, modernity and we have the old fusions with the streets. It's interesting because now Lima have these kind of details in order to keep the ancient or the oldest building and of course progress. Gonna take time, but of course, what's the idea? Preserve it.
Screwed it up. Can't hold my breath that long. Get the selfie yet?
Cheers.
Cheers.
For a wonderful evening.
Cheers. Tasty as hell. Hey everybody, it's the end of the day. Just to recap today, we did the seafood market, then we went and did a cooking demonstration or cooking lesson. Learned to make a local dish which is cold potato and chicken and avocado, or you can do it with crab, multiple different versions. We did a ceviche, we made ceviche with the tiger sauce, and we also learned how to make Pisco Sours. Then after that we headed up to the mountain, saw where some mountain bikes go and overview of the all of Lima, but it was a little hard to see with it's semi-overcast and misty today. Then we went into Barranco, we did a quick walking tour around Barranco, and went to a bar there and had a Pisco Sour. And that was made with gooseberries and passion fruit, and it was a blended Pisco Sour, which is a bit different. It's tasty as hell. I walked all the way back, had some downtime, and then we just went to Kennedy Park, or Cat Park. Had a look at all there, all the crowds, and we had some dinner, and I had scallops with parmesan on it, and then lomo loco, or basically it was sort of a stir-fried beef with vegetables, rice, and fries. Big dish. Let's talk about supersizing it. So now I'm back in the room, having a drink, because I'm feeling a little tired today after all the travel the last few days, and I've been pretty active. So tomorrow we're getting up early-ish, and we're going to a distillery and learn how Pisco is made. Then we're going to head to the airport and then fly to Cusco tomorrow. It'll be our first day in Cusco. We're not going to get in until 6 or 8 o'clock, I think, but that's good, whatever. I think he's going to stop at some other places tomorrow, but it definitely is the distillery for sure, which I'll learn how to make Pisco, one of my favorite drinks. So at the moment, I'm going to sign out, having a local Pisco beer, finish the night off. And it tastes pretty goddamn good, actually. And so that's me signing out for the night. See ya.